A true indoor garden room has three essential elements: layered greenery, natural light, and thoughtful styling.
Do you dream of a lush green home, but struggle with limited natural light? You're not alone. Many spaces, from apartments to offices, lack bright windows, making plant care seem impossible. But what if we told you that you can still cultivate a vibrant indoor garden, even in the darkest corners? Today, we're unveiling the secrets to a thriving indoor oasis, no matter how little sunlight you have. Join us as we explore 8 beautiful indoor plants that not only survive, but truly flourish without direct sunlight. Get ready to transform your low-light spaces into stunning green sanctuaries. Let's dive in. First up, the iconic snake plant, or Sansevieria, known for its striking architectural vertical leaves. This plant is a true survivor, thriving on neglect and minimal light, making it perfect for beginners. Beyond its beauty, the snake plant is a powerful air purifier, removing toxins from your home environment. Its upright growth habit makes it ideal for narrow spaces or as a statement piece in any room. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings, especially in low light. Next, meet the ZZ plant, or Zamioculcas zamiifolia, renowned for its glossy, dark green, waxy leaves. This plant is incredibly drought-tolerant and can withstand extremely low light conditions, almost thriving on neglect. Its rhizomes store water, making it forgiving if you forget to water it for weeks. The ZZ plant adds a touch of sophisticated greenery to any space, from a home office to a bedroom. It's also known for its air-purifying qualities, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Water only when the soil is completely dry to the touch, as overwatering is its biggest enemy. Our third low-light champion is the pothos, or Epipremnum aureum, famous for its beautiful trailing vines. Pothos is incredibly versatile and adaptable, tolerating a wide range of light conditions, including very low light. Its long, flowing stems can be draped over shelves, hung in baskets, or allowed to climb. Pothos is also an excellent air purifier, helping to remove common indoor pollutants. It's a fantastic choice for adding a touch of natural elegance to bathrooms or kitchens with minimal windows. Water when the top inch or two of soil feels dry. It will tell you it's thirsty by slightly drooping. Introducing the cast iron plant, Aspidistra elacer. Its name perfectly describes its resilience. This plant is virtually indestructible, tolerating deep shade, infrequent watering, and even temperature fluctuations. Its dark, glossy foliage adds a classic, elegant touch to any interior, even in the most challenging spots. The cast iron plant is perfect for those forgotten corners or hallways where other plants simply won't survive. It requires very little attention, making it an ideal choice for busy individuals or novice plant parents. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings to prevent root rot. Next, the elegant peace lily, Spathiphyllum, known for its striking white spoon-shaped blooms. Peace lilies thrive in low to medium indirect light, making them perfect for shaded living rooms or bedrooms. These beautiful plants are also excellent air purifiers, filtering out common household toxins. Their graceful appearance adds a touch of sophistication and tranquility to any indoor setting. They are known for their dramatic drooping when thirsty, which quickly revives after watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. They appreciate humidity, so misting can help. Moving on to the charming spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, instantly recognizable by its arching leaves. Spider plants are incredibly easy to care for and tolerate a range of light conditions, including dim environments. Their distinctive spiderettes or plantlets make them perfect for hanging baskets, adding a playful touch. These plants are also excellent air purifiers, effectively removing formaldehyde and xylene from the air. They are non-toxic, making them a safe choice for homes with pets and children. Keep the soil consistently moist but avoid overwatering. They prefer slightly humid conditions. Our seventh plant is the stunning aglaonema, or Chinese evergreen, celebrated for its vibrant patterned leaves. Aglaonemas are perfect for low-light conditions, with many varieties thriving in dimly lit spaces. Their diverse foliage patterns, from silver to red, add a splash of color and texture to any room. They are also excellent air purifiers, improving indoor air quality while looking beautiful. Aglaonemas are relatively low maintenance, making them a great choice for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts. Water thoroughly when the top few inches of soil are dry. Avoid letting it sit in standing water. Finally, the lucky bamboo, Dracæna sanderiana, a symbol of good fortune and prosperity. Despite its name, lucky bamboo is not true bamboo, but a type of Dracæna, perfectly suited for low light. It can be grown in water or soil, making it incredibly versatile for various decorative arrangements. Its unique shapes and forms add an artistic and calming element to any space, from offices to bathrooms. Lucky bamboo is believed to bring good luck and positive energy, making it a popular gift and home decor item. If grown in water, change the water weekly. If in soil, keep it consistently moist, but not soggy. Now that you know the best plants for low light, let's talk about essential care tips to keep them thriving. Even low-light plants need proper watering. The key is to avoid overwatering, which is a common killer. Always check the soil moisture before watering. Stick your finger a few inches deep. If it's dry, then water. In low light, plants use less water, so they need less frequent watering than those in brighter spots. Another crucial tip is cleaning your plant's leaves. Dust can accumulate, blocking light absorption. Gently wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to keep them clean and allow for efficient photosynthesis. This simple act not only helps your plant breathe, but also enhances its natural beauty. Consider humidity. Many tropical plants, even low-light ones, appreciate a bit of moisture in the air. Misting or placing plants near a humidifier can make a big difference, especially in dry indoor environments. Fertilizing is less frequent for low-light plants. They grow slower, so they need fewer nutrients. Feed them sparingly, perhaps once or twice during their growing season, usually spring and summer. Rotate your plants occasionally to ensure even growth. Even low light has a direction. Observe your plants closely. They will communicate their needs through their leaves and growth patterns. Yellowing leaves might indicate overwatering, while crispy edges could mean too little humidity. Don't be afraid to prune. Removing dead or yellowing leaves encourages new, healthy growth. With these simple tips, your low-light plants will not only survive but truly flourish, bringing joy to your home. Remember, every plant is unique. Take the time to understand its specific needs and enjoy the journey. You now have the knowledge to create a stunning indoor garden, even in the most challenging light conditions. Imagine your home transformed into a serene green sanctuary filled with life and natural beauty. These resilient plants prove that you don't need abundant sunlight to enjoy the benefits of indoor greenery. From the architectural snake plant to the trailing pothos, each offers unique charm and air-purifying qualities. The robust cast iron plant, the elegant peace lily, and the playful spider plant are all fantastic choices. Don't forget the colorful aglaonema and the auspicious lucky bamboo, bringing beauty and good vibes. Embrace the beauty of low-light plants and transform your indoor spaces into vibrant, living works of art. Which of these low-light beauties will you add to your collection first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow plant enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, plant care guides, and indoor inspiration. Thank you for watching and happy planting!